Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to use an LED keyboard on your device can enhance your typing experience by allowing you to customize the lighting to your preferences, making it easier to see the keys in dim lighting or adding a personalized touch to your device. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first you have to install this application on the App Store. Well, after that, just tap on it. And then you can click this side arrow and click continue option. Okay, so in this page, tap on plus icon. And then click activate LED keyboard. Click OK. Well, so now tap on step 1 here, and then activate the LED keyboard by turning on this toggle. Click OK to approve. And next you can tap on the step 2, and then select LED keyboard. Okay, so now the LED keyboard on your device is successfully applied. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use LED keyboard on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.